fact, I have an exciting proposal for you later.
Yeah.
That's why I mean, all of you later students, in fact, I have an exciting proposal for you later. We all know you have heard of STI already. Can you have a show of hands, please? Great. I know that all of you have heard of STI already. Allow me to show you some important information about STI. STI has been providing quality education for more than 25 years. Every day, there are more than 70,000 students who get a realized education for more than 25 years. STI College Canava.
Teka lang.
In STI College Canava, we offer graduates in the field of information technology, engineering, business management, especially in the field of hospitality and restaurant service. Now, let's try to remember the fact that like you, the reason,
Ano ba yung reason?
the reason I'm not available in STI. Let's try to remember the fact with 5 years, 7,000 students, and 100 campuses nationwide. And this is we're very proud to say that the SBI has the enrollment employment system or degree system.
Why are you very proud? Why are you very proud?
Maybe you're wondering. Now maybe you're wondering what to almost survive the SBI. We're very proud to say that only SBI has the enrollment employment system or degree system.
Kasi paano mo i-introduce mo? Panggugulat na lang kami. Hindi yung sinasabi mo na yan.
The APA system provides our students with innovative education, job market skills, job preparedness, and job placement assistance. In STI College Canava, our students are trained very well based on industry standards. Now, our students find a job after they graduate. Now, what does the APA mean? Now, you know more about STI. That ends our first part. Let's get to know about let's get to know more about you. I know all of you will be making a very important decision in life. I know it's not easy decision. Now, who among you are already sure what you're going to take in college? Great.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I have a question. Anong meaning ng STI?
System Technology Institute.
System Technology Institute, we use that when we work in an education, not a college center, but an educational center for learning. Now we no longer use System Technology Institute, but we already use STI College.
In a simple term.
Okay. Already. Pag may nagtanong, din sabihin nila ganun, but we are before using that. Yung vocational course namin offer natin. But now, since we are already college,
Now, who among you are already sure what you're to take in college? Now, who among you are still unsure what you're to take in college? Now you need to know yourself.
Tag mo sa ulo mo.
A lot of the students today are a lot of the students today deciding because parents, relatives, and friends attended deficits of particular career. Okay, guys, great opportunity and personality for
Uy, putol na.
Ikaw mo kung professor doon.
Sobrang madami. Wow. Kaya pa doon. Great.
Mabuti naman. Alibi is not allowed.
Okay, guys, in opportunity and mathematical winner or scope, and also that helps in determining you're making the right decision. This scope is a computerized program that helps you determine your decision. I know less than 30 minutes is relatively limited.
Suggest careers. Suggest careers.
I know you're not suggesting it.
All you have to do is visit an essay, college in Tanawan, at Pagino Baby. From 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also invite your mechanic friends and bring them SPI if you know. And also have to have. Graduation for you, and if you want to know more about it,